I'm Dan Palomino with ColoradoDreamHouse.com and this week's market update for Denver, Colorado for the final week of March and the first week of April. Happy spring, everybody. Okay, the Genesis Group is a real estate research firm based out of Colorado here. They take a look at real estate and the market, what's happening in Colorado, as well as economic trends across the entire country. At the end of February, they gave their quarterly briefing. It was about a 44-page report. And I think there's a couple important points to summarize out of that report. First, there will continue to be a demand for new housing, although new housing will remain low as far as inventory levels. On the flip side, there again will be a new demand for moderate to low price homes. Now, we've been seeing that over the last 6 to 12 months. We've been telling you that if you're in the low to moderate price points, there is not a lot of selection because there's not a lot of inventory. So that demand will absolutely increase. For land prices, not good news here. There's a lot of land on the, for sale on the market, and that will continue to reset at lower values. Finally, foreclosures and distressed properties. They will continue to make up a large percentage of the transactions that are going on in real estate. So that, again, will continue to remain high. All right, if you have any questions about the real estate market, what's happening in your neighborhood, or you'd like to speak with me, feel free to contact me at ColoradoDreamHouse.com. Have a great week.